Tanner. He's here today with us. I tagged his blog if you guys want to check him out too. And I just did this challenge where you taste the spices blindly and you guess what you're tasting. I don't have a sense of smell, but I still got 2 right, so I'm very proud. But now we have a real chef here who's actually going to taste it, and we'll see who does better, me or Chef Tanner. So, all right.
So we'll start with the first one here.
Yes, you can smell too. I didn't mean that.
I know.
That is an onion.
Oh my god, it is. I guess it
But
was...
it tastes like it's toasted.
Oh, maybe so.
Oh, you'd have to ask my wife. She bought the spices and put them in there. I don't know if it's a garlic salt or garlic powder. I haven't touched it yet.
It's definitely an onion.
It was a little sweet. It's an
I'm
onion.
talking about garlic. Onion, not
It's an onion.
You know what?
Yes.
Onion.
And when I tasted it, because of the sweetness, I guessed that it was a candy spice. Candy spice.
candy.
Chef Tanner guessed onion and was correct.
I think I already have an idea, but it's kind of hard because it's in a powder form. It's kind of hard because it's 2 I normally put together.
So if you were gonna make pumpkin raviolis with like a brown butter,
Well, here's the thing.
sauce,
It's the. I know I'm leaning towards sage.
yeah.
Because it's kind of got, because I always pair rosemary and sage together because they complement each other so well. But that's definitely sage.
It is sage. I did not get it right.
Because it has that mintiness to it. That rosemary has a little more citrus, where the sage has that mintiness.
You guys are learning about spices from Chef Tanner here, guest starring on the blog For the Love of Food.
That's definitely rosemary.
Yeah.
It is rosemary.
Ooh. But good thing about rosemary is that by doing that, now my brain's going to be more aware. And an interesting story. Rosemary got its name from back in the biblical times when supposedly Mary put her cloak over a bush and it turned blue. So that's why the rosemary, the fresh rosemary, has a slight blue color to it.
I did not know that. Things you learn. So far he's gotten all of them right.
Yeah.
I wish I didn't take that much rosemary. Because now it's like throwing off my taste buds.
That's what I was too.
I'm still trying to get it out.
Oh, Tanner's doing it.
He's gotten them all right so far.
I bet he would.
This one's a tricky one, I remember.
Getting mint, but is it true mint?
There is mint there. And it's garden mint, so that's why it's not too pungent.
Okay.
He got it. He got the mint. It's garden mint, which I guess changes the flavor a bit. Threw a few people off. I knew because I did eat mint out of my microwave.
Oh, I know what this is.
He already knows.
This is Madagascar clove. Not the Ceylon cloves. This is Madagascar because it's got that sweetness to it.
Yeah, it did. I remember they were kind of sweet.
I know just by smelling it.
It's crazy. I don't have a sense of smell, so the fact that you can just sniff and know is weird to me.
Oh, nutmeg.
There you go.
As soon as I smelled it,
You just need to let that sink in for a
Nutmeg.
little bit.
Nutmeg.
Yep.
All right. Wow. He got all of them. High five for you. I got 2 of them. Could not compete with the real chef. He did all of them. Good job, Tanner. You taught us lessons and did the challenge. So very cool. This just shows what a real chef can do and why you should follow food blogs, because they know more than us.
All right, Jen,